Introduction to Artificial Intelligence for Business Applications. Welcome to the first video of the 9-part course on Artificial Intelligence for Business Applications. This course empowers business professionals to leverage AI for growth, efficiency, and innovation. This video defines AI, explores its critical role in business, outlines the course structure, introduces big data, and presents a real-world case study to illustrate AI's impact. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation to explore AI's potential in your organization. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to machines programmed to simulate human intelligence, including capabilities like learning from experience, understanding language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. The term AI was coined in 1956 at the Dartmouth Conference. Early AI research aimed for machines to rival human intelligence, but progress was slow, leading to AI winters with reduced interest and funding. The 21st century marked a turning point, fueled by advances in computing power, vast data availability, and sophisticated algorithms, particularly in deep learning. AI is divided into two main types: narrow AI, designed for specific tasks, such as voice assistants e.g., Siri or recommendation systems. This is the dominant form of AI today. General AI, a theoretical concept where machines could perform any intellectual task a human can. General AI remains a future aspiration. AI includes several subfields with unique business applications. Machine learning. Systems learn from data without explicit programming, enabling predictive analytics. Natural language processing (NLP). Machines understand and generate human language, powering tools like chatbots. Computer vision. Machines interpret visual data, used in facial recognition or quality control. Robotics. Integrates AI into physical machines for tasks like manufacturing or logistics. Expert systems. Mimic human expertise in fields like medical diagnostics. For businesses, AI augments human capabilities, enhancing productivity, streamlining operations, and uncovering insights for strategic decisions. Why AI matters for business. AI is a game changer for businesses, enabling them to do more with less, make smarter decisions, and create new opportunities. Research estimates AI could add up to $13 trillion to the global economy by 2030. McKinsey AI report. Here's how AI delivers value. Automation and efficiency. AI automates repetitive tasks, freeing employees for strategic work. For example, in manufacturing, AI-powered robots assemble products with precision, reducing errors and increasing output. Data-driven decisions. AI analyzes large datasets to uncover patterns, enabling predictive analytics for better planning. Personalization. AI tailors experiences to individual customers, boosting satisfaction and loyalty. Innovation. AI enables new products and services, such as virtual assistants or autonomous vehicles. Cost reduction. AI optimizes processes, like delivery routes and logistics, cutting operational costs. Risk management. AI detects risks early, such as fraud in finance or equipment failures in manufacturing. Competitive advantage. Early AI adopters gain an edge by leveraging insights competitors may miss. Real-world examples illustrate AI's impact. Retail. Amazon's AI-driven recommendation system accounts for 35% of its sales by suggesting products based on user behavior. Healthcare. IBM's Watson for Oncology analyzes medical data to assist doctors in diagnosing cancer, improving patient outcomes. Finance. JP Morgan Chase's CoinTool uses AI to review loan agreements in seconds, a task that once took thousands of hours. Transportation. Uber's AI matches drivers with riders efficiently, while self-driving cars promise safer, more efficient travel. These examples show AI's transformative potential across industries, making it a critical focus for businesses in 2025. Course overview. This 9-video course guides you through AI's applications in business, from foundational concepts to advanced strategies. It starts with this introduction to AI and its business relevance, followed by videos on machine learning basics, natural language processing, computer vision, robotics in business, generative AI, AI ethics and governance, case studies of successful AI implementations, and the future of AI in business. Each video includes practical examples, implementation tips, and resources to deepen your understanding. Introduction to Big Data. Big data is the foundation of AI, providing the raw material for machine learning and analytics. It refers to massive datasets analyzed to reveal patterns, trends, and insights, particularly about human behavior. Big data is characterized by 3 key traits. Volume. The immense amount of data generated, such as the 3.5 billion searches processed daily by Google. Velocity. the speed at which data is created and processed, like real-time social media or IoT data. Variety, the diverse forms of data, including structured numbers, databases, unstructured text, images, and semi-structured JSON. AI, particularly machine learning, relies on big data to train algorithms and improve accuracy. Businesses using big data with AI can predict customer behavior for targeted marketing campaigns, optimize operations, such as predicting equipment maintenance needs, innovate by identifying new market opportunities. Tools like Hadoop, Spark, and cloud platforms e.g., AWS, Azure manage big data, but governance is essential to ensure data accuracy, security, and compliance with regulations like GDPR. Case study: Walmart's AI transformation. Walmart, a global retail leader, showcases AI's transformative power. Inventory management. AI predicts demand using sales data, weather forecasts, and local events, ensuring optimal stock levels and reducing waste. Supply chain optimization. AI optimizes delivery routes and inventory, cutting costs and minimizing delays. Customer experience. AI-powered chatbots and recommendation systems personalize shopping, enhancing customer satisfaction. Shelf scanning. Computer vision scans shelves to detect out-of-stock items or pricing errors, replacing manual checks. Walmart's partnership with Microsoft for demand forecasting uses machine learning to analyze historical sales, weather, and social media trends. This improves product availability, reduces waste, and enhances customer satisfaction. Walmart innovation. Preparing for AI adoption. To successfully adopt AI, businesses should define a strategy, identify specific problems AI can solve, such as improving customer service or optimizing supply chains, assess data readiness, ensure robust systems for data collection and storage, build talent, hire or train experts who understand AI in your business, foster a culture, train employees and secure buy-in for AI-driven changes. Start small. Pilot projects to test AI before scaling. AI adoption is a journey of continuous learning and improvement. Conclusion. This video introduced AI, its business benefits, the course structure, big data, and Walmart's AI success. The next video will explore machine learning, the backbone of many AI applications. Share your questions in the discussion forum, and see you in the next lesson.